Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss about email marketing software. So let's extract software so you can do mainly three part you can do easily work. First of all, you can do data collect from anywhere. Suppose Google keyword through Yellow Page, Google Map, Instagram, Facebook, and any website through you can do data collect email or phone number. Okay, so after that you can do this mail, you can do mail verifier. After mail verifier, then you can do email send. Okay, so today I will discuss about shortly you can do how can we do data collect and how can do email verify and how can you do email send. Totally I will live share to you. Okay, so first of all, suppose if you want to data collect from suppose golf or suppose I want to Cameroon, suppose okay, and from the data collect continue. Okay, you will see the result. So I'm now stop search and I'm live share another option. Okay, so suppose you want to get result from Google Map and search here. Continue. Just wait. Suppose you want to data collect from USA, just data collect USA, just keyword add, and you will see the phone number and email address, and also keyword here. Okay, and also here the category. Okay, stop the search option. Thus you can do this option easily. Google Map data extract, Yellow Page data extract, any website from data extract. Okay, then you can do email verify. So I'm now click the option and click verify, then you will see the verify result. Okay, so just wait. After verify you can do easily email sending. So just wait. Okay, here the green color, this is real email address, this is not. So here the green color email address is verified email address, so you can do easily email send from the here. Suppose I want to test my email purpose address, so first of all you should add smtp server here. Okay, so here the option my name, and I want to my WhatsApp marketing software promotion. Suppose here the title and and since the title right now I have update version, so now change the title and okay, so right now I will do email send. Just wait. So send test for my personal mail address, send now. Just wait, you can see the result. Okay, test. Okay, now I'm open my email ad box, right? www.marketingsoft.com, and you will see more marketing software. So if you need website SEO or any help, I can do help to you. Thank you.